Welcome to another 3D printing tech tip from GoEngineer. My name is Joseph. Today I want to help you out when your printer dies and it's not working or it's peeing all over and there's a huge mess. When you reach out to us, we're going to ask you for the service data from your printer. To get this, you're going to need a USB stick and plug it into the back of the printer, usually right next to the power cable. Then you come onto the software under Options, Collect Service Data, or the F2 key. It will pop up a window. Do we really want to do this? Why, yes we do. Then when that window pops up, I like to have that sorted by date so you can grab the most recent one that's generated. It makes it a lot easier to find it. Then we just say send to the USB drive that you plugged into it. Okay, then I just hop over real quick to the USB so I can confirm that that was saved on there properly. That was. Once you have it saved onto the USB drive, pull it back out of the printer, take it to your desk, email it to us. We'll run through the log files that are in there and see what's going on with your printer. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. You can find customer support's phone number and email on GoEngineer.com. Please like and subscribe to this video so you can get all of our future 3D printing tech tips. Thanks. Have a good day.